friends, welcome to part 2 of your Op Art spider web. Make sure you have your Op Art ready. We're going to try 2 different ways to create a spider depending on what materials you have available. So you could use pipe cleaners, or you could cut and glue some scrap paper. I'm going to try the pipe cleaner method first. So I'm going to take these 2 pipe cleaners that I have and I'm going to cut them each in half. So I'm just going to hold them together and fold so I know about where the middle is. And I'm going to take some scissors and I'm going to cut. Now I have 4 pipe cleaners. I can take 3 of my pipe cleaners and set them side by side. Then I take my 4th pipe cleaner and cross them to make an X. I'll wrap it around the other pipe cleaners, probably 2 times, to make sure that it holds on nice and strong. If I spread all of my ends apart, I now have 8 legs for a spider. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right now my spider's looking pretty flat, like somebody squashed him. So I'm going to bend those legs right in the middle so that he's ready to crawl around on my artwork. If I wanted to hang this piece on the wall, I could even take each of those little legs and poke it through the paper where I want him to stand. I'll probably just do 3 or 4 of his legs. So I've got 4 of his legs poked through to the back side. I'm just going to flip my paper over and fold those wires flat on the back so that he holds on and doesn't fall off. Check that out. He is really 3D and he's crawling on the spider web. Now, if you don't have pipe cleaners, something else you could use is some scrap paper. And right now this looks nothing like a spider, so I'm gonna think about the parts that I need. I'll probably need a body or a centerpiece for my spider, and again, those 8 legs so that he can crawl across the web. So I'm gonna start by cutting 8 skinny legs. 1, 2, 3, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'll make my spider a body just by cutting a little circle or an oval, or it could be a different shape. You could be creative. And I'm going to attach all of those legs to this centerpiece using glue. One, 2, 3, 4. Now that I have my paper spider, I need to make him 3D too. So I'm going to turn him over, and just like I did with my wire spider, I'm going to bend his legs in half. Give my spider some little knees here. He should now stand on my paper. I probably can't poke paper through paper, but what I could do is also fold the paper at the ends to give him some little feet, like this. So I'll do that on all 8 legs. I could then glue those feet to my spider web, and I'm going to make a choice. I could glue all of them, or I could just glue some. This leg is falling off, so I probably need to add more glue to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I held it in place and counted to 5, so now it looks like it's going to stay. I think I'll just glue a few of those legs down on my spider web. I glued his 2 front feet and his 2 back feet. Now he's ready to stand in place. Now I'm not going to pick this up and shake it around, but I will show you he is really standing out on that spider web page. So once he's totally dry, I could, let me count again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once my spider is totally dried in place, then he'll be ready to hang on the wall or put on display. I hope you have fun with this activity and get really creative. Bye, friends. It's pipe cleaner versus paper. Who will win?